Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? In today's video, I will be making chicken biryani. This is my favorite Indian dish. It's simple, easy, and so delicious. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started right now. First, I will start by frying one red sliced onion. After frying the onion, set it aside. Right here, I have clean drumsticks and one onion. I will cook this until the sauce has reduced before adding the rice. I cooked the rice in a different pot. It's not fully cooked. It's 90% cooked. After adding the red onions, cover the pot and cook the rice for 20 to 30 minutes. If you are Liberian, this reminds me of pambada rice. So delicious. I hope you give this a try and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.